Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for PGA Tour 2K error code HBRS 1702. The error reads, "We're sorry, but an unexpected error has occurred. Please retry the action you are trying to take." As per our research, the error occurs when players try to enter a tournament in My Career mode or attempt to make a purchase from the in-game store. According to our research, the error is likely caused by network conflicts, a bug related to in-game purchases or temporary server issues. Now let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. Before trying anything, we suggest you restart your device along with your router. Then check if the game needs to be updated. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the game is up to date, then try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Then check if you can bypass the error. If this works, then something in your network environment is likely conflicting with the game, especially if your network has a firewall enabled. So check your internet firewall settings and other security configurations that might interfere with the game. In case you're getting this error while trying to buy something from the in-game store, then it may be related to a known bug that limits players to one purchase at a time. If this is the case, wait for a day and try making the purchase again. At last, if you still see the error, then it is likely a server-side issue. During our research, we found that many users did nothing and the error resolved itself after some time. So if nothing else works, wait for a few hours and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.